Got it running?
Yep.
Yeah, go ahead. Good shit. Good shit. Devin, go check the beef that is. Why? Because
he
if
wants...
you jump in and your head goes under, we're good.
Because he doesn't want to hit his head on the bottom and going unconscious. Have a concussion or something.
Weirdo.
Whee!
Oh, the guy's nose.
I'm getting it.
He's just caught you on video picking your damn nose. You better jump in.
Oh, watch him.
Oh. Just go. Come here. No, Dad. Jump, jump, jump. That was a hesitation. Woo! How that feel? Okay. Oh my God. You want to count? Oh, good girl. You want to count? No. Okay. Oh, man. Go ahead. It's fine. Oh, my God! That's cold. Oh, that's cold. Yeah, because you know the things that feel